Hello, Roman Rocha here, your local Oregon real estate agent. On a macro level, I am your local Portland Metro real estate agent. Today, what I wanted to do is give a big shout out to Sarah Lodge with Sign Agenda. Again, that's Sarah Lodge. Thank you very much for helping me get these signs together at Sign Agenda, and you can find her at signagenda.com. What I wanted to do was show you these awesome signs that I just had created. Here's one of the big signs here. As you can see, here's one of the other signs that I got, the for sale signs. And here's the open house sign there, and I have some pendings right here, you can see. Anyway, really good deal. She was able to get these printed pretty quick for me, and I really do appreciate that. The reason why I'm getting these signs together in addition to my other signs is because regardless of what you may have heard, aside from all the doom and gloom stuff that you may see on the news, there is still people out there buying and selling properties. You know, I'm getting my signs in preparation because I have some other appointments that are coming up, and I'm ready to hang my signs up at some new listings. And these are good marketing tools for the people that are looking for a real estate agent that will have their best interest at heart. So if you're looking for a sign, I would recommend contacting Sarah Lodge and getting any one of these signs here created. Another thing is, I did get all this artwork together for it to be printed. So if you need help with some artwork for your signs, feel free to reach out to me. I've done graphics in my past profession prior to becoming a real estate professional. If you or you know someone that needs a real estate warrior, have them give me a call. I would be happy to help you and to help them. You want a real estate agent warrior that will go to battle, that has your best interest and will fight for the best deal for you as a buyer or a seller. Thank you, and again, big shout out to Sarah Lodge at Sign Agenda, which you can find her again at signagenda.com. Thank you, have a great day, stay safe, and we'll talk later. Call or send me a text. Your real estate warrior.